We all love a great meal, even if you are eating by yourself or with a favorite guest. Welcome back to the Tell Me More Hub, where we research information on things you really care about, and having a great meal is one of those things. If you haven't subscribed yet to our Tell Me More Hub channel, go ahead and subscribe now. Listen up. Cooking for one or two doesn't have to be a bloody nightmare. Too many people think it's an excuse for a sad microwave meal or takeout, but I'm here to tell you that's absolute rubbish. We're going to elevate your solo dining game, turning those lonely dinners for one into a culinary celebration. Get ready to learn how to cook simple, delicious, and cost-effective meals that will have you feeling like a five-star chef in your own kitchen. Right, everyone. The first step to conquering solo dining is choosing the right recipes. Don't even think about reaching for those dusty, complicated cookbooks. We're talking about simple, flavorful dishes that even an idiot sandwich could master. Think about your favorite cuisines and flavors. Do you crave the comforting hug of Italian pasta, the fiery kick of Indian curry, or the vibrant freshness of a Mediterranean salad? Once you've nailed down your culinary cravings, it's time to raid your pantry. Look for recipes that utilize common staples like pasta, rice, beans, and canned tomatoes. These versatile ingredients are the backbone of countless delicious and affordable meals. Remember, simplicity is key here. We're not looking for Michelin star complexity. We want dishes that are easy to execute and even easier to devour. Listen up, folks, there's nothing more infuriating than wasting food. That's why we're going to master the art of cost-effective shopping. The secret? Planning your meals in advance and focusing on overlapping ingredients. Start by sketching out a rough meal plan for the week. Choose recipes that share common ingredients like onions, garlic, herbs, or specific vegetables. This way you'll use up everything you buy and minimize waste. When you hit the supermarket, stick to your list like glue and avoid those tempting impulse buys. Remember, a well-stocked pantry is your secret weapon against expensive takeout temptations. Now let's get down to business. Preparing a delicious meal for one or two doesn't have to be a chaotic dance around the kitchen. With a few clever tricks, you'll be plating up restaurant-quality dishes in no time. First things first. Herbs and spices are your best friends. Don't be shy about experimenting with different flavor combinations. A pinch of this, a dash of that. It's all about finding what makes your taste buds sing. One-pot meals are a godsend for solo diners. They're incredibly convenient, minimize cleanup, and allow you to cook a complete meal with minimal fuss. Think hearty stews, fragrant curries, or flavorful pasta dishes, all made in a single pot. Now, let's talk about those unexpected guests. You know, the ones who magically appear just as dinner is about to be served. Don't panic. With a few pantry staples and some quick thinking, you'll be able to stretch your meal and avoid any awkward, sorry, there's not enough moments. Always keep a few essential ingredients on hand like pasta, rice, or couscous. These versatile carbs can be whipped up in minutes and bulk up any meal. Canned beans and lentils are also lifesavers. They're packed with protein and fiber and can be added to soups, stews, or salads for extra substance. Remember, flexibility is key. Don't be afraid to get creative and adapt your recipes based on what you have on hand. And don't forget timing. It's everything in the kitchen, especially when you're cooking for a small crowd. The key is to manage your cooking times like a symphony conductor, ensuring that all parts of your meal come together harmoniously. Start by prepping your ingredients before you even think about turning on the stove. Chop those vegetables, measure out those spices, and have everything ready to go. This will prevent any last-minute panics and ensure that your cooking process flows smoothly. If you're cooking different components with varying cooking times, start with the element that takes the longest. For example, if you're roasting vegetables and cooking fish, get those vegetables in the oven first. Remember, it's better to have one element resting and waiting than to overcook another in a rush. There you have it, you brilliant cooks. Cooking for one or two doesn't have to be a culinary nightmare. Embrace the opportunity to nourish your body and soul with delicious homemade meals. Remember, every meal is a chance to treat yourself, to savor flavors, and to enjoy the simple pleasure of a well-cooked dish. Now go forth and conquer those solo dinners, and don't forget to share your culinary creations with me. I want to see what you come up with. Remember that we love to hear from our subscribers. If you have questions or even topics that you would like to have a video on, let us know. We're here to help. That's our goal at the Tell Me More Hub channel.